Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the important topics, that is the challenges faced by the patients when they go to a doctor or a corporate hospital or a clinic, and how Fidicus Homeopathy is addressing it. There are three problems or three main challenges faced when they go to a doctor. First one is, nowadays when you call to a hospital or when you call a doctor or a clinic, every time different person will be addressing your phone, or someone else will be receiving. Once you go to a doctor or a hospital, every time you see a new doctor, again you explain all the things to him, and again you start taking the treatment from the beginning. So this is a major challenge faced by the patients nowadays. Your time, your energy, and your money is lost, and you have to say the same problems and say the same things to the different doctors again and again. So there is no personal connection between the patient and the doctor or the staff within the clinic. At Fidicus Homeopathy, you are given most importance on this part. So every time you go to Fidicus Homeopathy or you call Fidicus Homeopathy, so the staff there will address you by name, and the entire history of you is known before they answer your call. By saying the name itself, they will come to know entire history, and they are ready to direct you to the doctor. And coming to the doctors, we don't change doctors regularly. All our doctors and our staff stay with us for a very long time, so that the patient will have personal connection with them. By the moment they go to a doctor, the doctor is not changed regularly, so that the doctor knows your history completely, and there is no need for you to say the same thing and again and start the treatment from the beginning every time you go to a doctor. So that is the importance we give to a patient when they come to Fidicus Homeopathy. The first reason why you should go with Fidicus Homeopathy is, we give personal care to the patient. You are treated as a person, not as a machine, not as a phone, or not as a video. So you are completely treated as a person, and you will have that personal touch with the doctor and the staff of Fidicus Homeopathy. The next challenge faced by the patients is lack of transparency. What I mean by lack of transparency is giving the correct information to you. Every homeopathy doctor other than us say we will cure 100%. Any disease you take cancer, brain tumor, or a simple cold, they will blindly say that they will going to cure this disease 100%, and you will not get this disease in future forever. This is absolutely wrong. This is all wrong information. The same way, most of the other doctors will prescribe you unnecessary medication. They will ask you to do unnecessary investigations, and they will suggest you for unnecessary surgeries. There is no transparency in the treatment. At Fidicus Homeopathy, the treatment is completely transparent. Whether you take treatment with us or you take treatment with other doctors of your choice, we don't restrict you or we don't try to manipulate you. We put the facts in front of you as they are, and the decision is left over to you. There are three different factors. One is disease. What is the disease? What is the stage of the disease? What is the condition of the patient? All these things will determine the treatment outcome. That's the reason, based on all these things, we will suggest you a doctor or a treatment or a surgery, and choice is left over to you. Whether you take treatment with us or not, it is not important. What is important for us is to give the best information possible and the transparent information without any bias. There are no false promises with us. So whatever the condition you are having, we will give you raw information and the best advice, and the decision is left over to you. And also, there is no force to take the treatment with us. If you want to withdraw from us, it can be done at any point in time. So there is no force, or there is no compulsion, or there is no package system. If you are bound to a package, it is like unwanted marriage. So if when two people are in an unwanted marriage, it is ugly. So we don't want to do that. So there are no packages in Fidicus Homeopathy. Whatever you do, you pay per month. When you insist, when some patients have long relation with them and they want to go with the package system, they can go, but it is not mandatory at any point in time with Fidicus Homeopathy. It's true, in homeopathy you have high chance for curing a disease. So but every disease for every person, it cannot be done. Don't believe this. Before you take the treatment, we give complete information about about the disease. So we will say what is the percentage of cure with us, and also how many days it will take for you to see the results, how many days it will take for you to completely cure the disease, whether it is curable or not. Do you have other options in other systems of medicine? Do you need to go with surgery, or do you need to go with other system of medicine? Complete information without bias, Raw data is given to you and you are left over to take the choice and decide the treatment for yourself. There is no compulsion or there is no hidden data or there is no manipulation from Fidicus Homeopathy at any point in time. And the last challenge faced by the patients is rate of success. See, compared to any other homeopathic treatment or available in this world, we have the best chance of success. We have the highest success rate for any given disease. Though the success rate depends on disease to disease. For example, one disease we have success rate of 5%, on another disease we have success rate of almost 99.9%. Compared to any other individual homeopathic doctor or homeopathic organization or chain of clinics, we have the best chance of success and we have the highest success rate for any given disease. The reason for this are two things. One is we do not compromise on medicine. We always give you highest possible medicine, highest quality medicine. There should not be any problem with the medicines once we dispense to you. Such is the quality of the medicines we maintain. We normally import the medicines from highest quality pharma companies and only those medicines we distribute to you. So there is no compromise in medicine. And the next one is the doctors. All the doctors who are with us are highly knowledgeable, are highly qualified, highly passionate and competent compared to any other homeopathic clinics or chain of clinics available to you. Our doctors are the best compared to any other homeopathic doctor individually or as a group, such as clinics or chain of clinics. We have the best doctors with us. All the characters required for a successful treatment are there with our doctors, and our doctors stay with us for a long time. It is not that they come today, stay for some time, and leave us and join another organization. All the doctors who are with us will stay for a very long time. It is true that compared to other homeopathic clinics or individual doctors, we are a bit costly, not too much costly, bit costly. The reason is you have the best chance to cure your disease, you have the best doctors, best medicine, and also the best technology. Compared to any other homeopathic clinics or doctors, we have the best technology related to homeopathic case taking, prescribing, and giving the medicines to the patient. The three core principles which are helpful to you and the three main reasons why you have to take homeopathic treatment. With Fidicus Homeopathy, you get personal care, transparent treatment, and highest success. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.